In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add invitee questions to events in Calendly. This is really useful if you want to collect key information from people before you meet with them, like their goals for the call, their company name, or anything you need to prepare in advance. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in Calendly and how to set up and save those questions for any event type. First, open Calendly and log into your account. Once you're in, go to your scheduling page where all your meeting types or event types are listed. This is the main area where you manage the different kinds of meetings people can book with you, such as intro calls, demos, interviews, or consultations. Next, choose the meeting or event type where you want to add invitee questions. Click on that specific meeting. This will open the settings for that event, where you can edit details like duration, location, and other options. Inside the event settings, look for the section or button labeled More Options. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Calendly keeps additional configuration tools, including the options for customizing the information you collect from invitees. Within More Options, find the area related to the invitee form or invitee questions. This is the form that appears on the booking page right after your invitee selects a date and time. Here, you can view the default fields Calendly already includes, like name and email, and you can also add your own custom questions. Now, start filling in the details for the questions you want to ask. You can usually choose the type of question, such as short answer, long answer, multiple choice, or checkboxes, depending on what Calendly supports in your plan. Type your question clearly so invitees know exactly what you're asking for. If there's an option to set a limit, click on Set Limit to control things like the maximum number of characters, choices, or responses. This helps keep answers focused and easier to review. Take a moment to review all your questions to make sure they're relevant and necessary. Remember, too many questions can discourage people from completing the booking, so keep it focused on what you truly need. When you're happy with everything, click on Save Changes. This step is important. If you don't save, your new questions won't appear on the booking page. After saving, you can